Oh my god, guys! Guys, I'm so scared right now. A super creepy, scary, angry bird's gonna come and call me today. I'm so scared. But first, you know what time it is? Hey, ready for my free Milk Dud giveaway? All you have to do is subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll give you 5 Milk Duds. But yeah, guys, I'm so scared. This is gonna be so scary. It's currently 3:36 p.m., guys, and I am freaking out. Oh no! Hopefully, scary monster. I'm gonna call spooky angry bird. Oh my gosh, guys, I have him on the call right now, guys.
I am here. I'm going to mom on my evil plan.
No, not an evil plan. I'm afraid.
I'm now an evil killer.
No.
I'm gonna send evil red rose at you.
No.
And I'm gonna steal another one of your video ideas, like how I did last video.
Oh no, why? Why'd you steal a J-Station parody and a Phone Destroyer video? No!
Now I'm gonna steal a third idea from you and reveal a cringy channel!
No! Cringier than mine? No!
Yes.
Oh, why are you doing this, master? What?
Check.
Oh no, but I don't make any money off of my videos. Oh no. Oh no, guys. I gotta go hide. Okay, guys. I'm hiding in my closet. Hopefully he doesn't call me. I'm really freaked out right now, guys. I'm really scared. I'm scared. I am razzled and frazzled and dazzled and gazzled and zazzled and jazzled and flazzled and pazzled and drazzled and gazzled and bazzled and trazzled and glabzabzdled and dazzled and chazzled and flazzled and gazzled and jazzled. It's okay, guys, because I have a super cool Redbird Gamer Killer Murderer. And with it, and just one, I can kill it instantly. But it have to go through a very set of specific instructions. First, I have to trap it with a minion blanket. Oh, I'm so scared, fellas. I really. But yeah, guys, as long as he doesn't know where I'm hiding, everything's good. Oh no, he's calling.
I know you're hiding.
No! Oh no! What are you gonna do?
I will send my red bird after you.
No! Oh no, guys! Scary! Oh no! What are you gonna do next? Okay, well, bye, I guess. Oh, did you hear that? He said that he knew where I was hiding, and he's gonna get me. Oh no, oh no. Oh, that's scary, guys. Oh no, what's this? Oh no, guys, it's the scary red bird from Angry Birds. I'm an Angry Bird. Oh no. Oh, he's getting me. Oh no. Oh no. Wait, I don't remember what to do. I have my Minions blanket. Whoa! I got him. Okay. Now all I have to do is get in with my Redbird Gamering, killing, murdering kazoo. I did it! I did it! I vanquished him. Yes. Now nothing can hurt me now. Ah! Trying to turn off the video.